How to delete friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, log into your account, then go to Chats. Simply click on bottom located Chats. In there, simply find the person you want to unfriend. Go to their chat, then click on their name on top, which is beside arrow. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots on top right corner of your screen and click on Manage Friendship. After that, you'll find Remove Friend option on third. Simply click on Remove Friend, again click on Remove, and the person will be removed from your account. And this is how to delete friends on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.